Many of you have been asking, do we do any cooking in the van? What do we cook? Well, actually, as a matter of fact, we don't do a lot of cooking in the van, but right now, Yoko is cooking she's preparing some soup from scratch. So let's go over to the stove and see what she's doing right now. So hang on 1 second. Yoko, so what are you doing right there?
Gonna cut celery.
Cutting some celery, and for what? For soup? Is that the soup over there?
Yes, because this celery is getting old. So. Well, so far I cut tomatoes, big tomatoes, small tomatoes, and then put the beans and carrots. That's what.
In the pot of soup?
Yes.
Can we take a look at it so far? Beautiful. Look at that. This is just incredible. How long do you think it'll take you to make this soup, like from start to finish? What would you say as far as how many minutes? Start to finish. 30 minutes, 35, 45 minutes? Start to finish?
I don't think 45 minutes. 20 minutes.
Oh, that's not bad at all. That's fine.
I'm gonna use.
What is so what is that exactly?
Kombucha.
And what is kombucha? What is kombucha? Can we see what it looks like?
Kombucha is Japanese, like a seaweed, little bit. It's a little bit salty, but we use cha means tea, so we can just put as a soup, making soup.
Let's see how you do it.
Just like I have to see the taste. It's kind of basically like a kombu seaweed broth.
Seaweed broth?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try to make.
We're in a 20-foot van, motorhome, RV. We're 20 feet long. It's like the size of a van, and we're cooking up food better than probably many restaurants cook up, I think. Look at this. And by the way, it's all vegan. Totally vegan. 100% vegan. Tastes good?
So just wait.
Just wait? I'll tell you what, how about if we come back when it's all done and we taste it and see what we think? How's that? Is that fair enough?
Yeah.
We come back and taste it when you're all done. But you're tasting it now.
Yeah.
I hate to think of like what goes on back in the kitchen in a restaurant. Like, you think the chefs are like putting their fingers and spoons into our stuff and tasting it all the time?
Maybe, but that's okay.
That's okay? So how about if we come back in a little while and taste it? Good? We'll come back and taste it. Thanks, Yoko. Thanks a lot. Okay, Yoko, so you finished the soup.
Hi.
Finish the soup.
Hi.
Hi means yes in case you guys don't understand Japanese. Finish it. So let's give everybody a look at the final product. And not only that, I'm starved. Let's eat. Ready?
Open
okay.
sesame.
Unveil.
Ta-da.
Oh my gosh.
Da, 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 da.
Look at that soup.
Da,
I'll tell you something. You can make a meal out of this. I mean, just what are some of the things in there? There's beans. See, beans, celery, tomato. What is it? Carrot?
Yes. Many colors of
many
carrot.
different types of colors. Carrots.
Also, I put little like lettuce.
Lettuce, romaine
Yes.
lettuce, little
Yes.
romaine lettuce. This
And then
Yoko, it is
like
just beautiful.
these are chia seed, flax seed, and hemp seed.
Unbelievably beautiful. I'm excited to eat this. So can you put some in our place, please? I'm starving. Okay, can we try? Can we try to drink?
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu, which means
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit in English. Can you say something means something from a different language? Okay. Let's see.
I think it's so good.
Oh, this is delicious. Can we have this every night? Delicious. Cheers. This is what we do. Talk to you all later.